Hello everyone. Today we are going to study one of the lesson from our book The Fun They Had, CBSE class 9th. The name of the lesson is The Fun They Had. This lesson is written by Isaac Asimov. This is a lesson about the advanced technology in education and robotic teacher, that is mechanical teacher, in coming future generation. You can see here in the picture the one of the student from future generation is in a study room, and it might be in a 22nd century. See, the room is fully equipped with the tools for helping to learn the child get the education. It would be a wonder for coming generation about a special building which is called as a school and the human teacher as a teacher, whereas they are having a mechanical teacher or robotic teacher. First of all, we'll see the author, Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov was an American writer and professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He was known for his works of science fiction and popular science. Asimov was a prolific writer who wrote edited more than 500 books and an estimated 90,000 letters and postcards. Asimov wrote hard science fictions, and he was born on 2nd January 1920 in Petrovichi, Russia, and he passed away on 6 April 1992 in Brooklyn, New York, United States of America. And he has also written some short stories. The names are The Last Question, The Fun They Had, and Profession. And some movies are also he has picturized: The Robot, Biocentrical Man, Nightfall, The End of Eternity. So some difficult words will be seen from the lesson. First word is crinkly, with many folds or lines. Second word is attic, a place just below the roof. Scornful means hateful. Slot, a given pace. Loftily, in a specific way. Dispute, disagreement. These are the some difficult words which we are going to study and learn from our lesson. First of all, see the summary of the lesson. The fun they had. The story opens with Margie's writing in a diary about an old book that Tommy had found. Margie was reminded of her grandfather, who had once talked about his grandfather who went to an actual school where the students were taught by the human teachers. However, Margie and Tommy lived in a future world in the year 2157, where the education was completely computerized. They didn't go to school. Instead, they had a special study room where a computer taught them. The computer teacher was programmed and adjusted according to the needs of each child. Now and then, the computer teacher developed the faults which were fixed by county inspector. County inspector means the computer repairer or mechanic. Both Tommy and Margie wondered at the book found by Tommy in his attic. They wondered at it as they read the books on the screen of their computer teacher. Margie felt that the computer teacher was boring. She disliked the mechanical teaching and learning. She also wondered how much fun it would be studying in a school. Studying in a fun way with other children, and that too from a human teacher. Here you can see a girl, and the age of the girl is 11 years old. Here the mechanical teacher of the Margi has been displayed in a future generation. Now this is the day is 17 May 2157. In this day, something strange occurred in the life of children like Margie and Tommy. They find a unique thing from educational field, that is a book. Now present book is of pages with the hardbound cover, but whereas other book is also existing in the future world, that is a telebook or e-book. Margie is habitual to write the diary. In a daily, she is writing and recording all the events. On 17 May 2157, on that day, she wrote in her diary that today Tommy found a real book in his attic. Today, and see here, the Tommy is maintaining the diary, and that's why she recorded the event of that day as a today Tommy found a real book. Tommy is a 13 years old boy. He found a real book in his attic. Attic is a place just below the roof of the house to store the things. See here, when the Tommy found the book, he had no bound of joy. In his joy, he observed the book closely and he wanted to talk about the books with the others. That's why he kept the book in his arms and walked out. When he was busy in observing and reading the book, that time the Margi went close to him and inquired what is it and what is it about. Then, with no wonder, the Tommy, the boy of 13 years old, explained this book is about school, and here this book was used long back ago by the grandfather's grandfather. When the curiosity developed in the child about the book, then both the children observed the words written on the page. They were not moving, they were just stable, they were not blinking, and they thought it is a total waste because they are not moving, they are not displaying on the page or on the screen. After closely observing the words from the book, they thought it is a crinkly, some folds, yellowish, and some brittle pages are there in the book as it is an old one. Then Tommy and Margie had a good discussion about the school, as they came to know school was a special building, and in a special building there was a human teacher to teach, and they thought of how much fun the children would have when they have a human teacher. Then Margie also inquired how it is possible that there would be a special building and children from neighboring gather together and study together. Then the Margie was happy to have such a school for her. Then in their discussion they came to know that a school is having a special big building and all the children from the neighboring area gather and they study together. See here, some children are walking towards the school, and after finish of the school at the end of the day, they will go to their own respective homes. In the school, there are various rooms. In various rooms, the children from all the houses sit together, study together, and they have interactions with the teachers also. Even they have all the learnings from the human teacher in the classroom itself. The human teacher has to explain the test to the students, even clarify the doubts and simplify the matter as per the need of students. The teacher is such a man who knew the children are of different types and they should be taught in a different way. That's why the teacher is handling each student in a different manner. The teacher discusses all the problems of the children, but human teacher is good one, whereas the mechanical teacher does not have any sense of the knowing the emotions and the feelings of the children. Here, the human teacher is guiding the students personally. When such a discussion was existing between the Tommy and Margie, there the mother of Margie came and gave a call. Mother said that Tommy and Margie, now this is the time for your school. So after instruction given by the mother of Margie, the children thought of stopping the discussion and they leave from the place. So thereafter the Tommy took the book in his arms and went to his respective room. Whereas Margie also went to her study room. Margie's study room was just next to her bedroom. This is the Margie's study room. You can see here the mechanical teacher was switched on, displayed something on the screen to be learned. This is the advanced room in the 22nd century. So when the Margie sat before the mechanical teacher, the mechanical teacher was displaying some information. So Margie was preparing from the mechanical teacher. But Margie was not performing well because Margie's mechanical teacher was little faster than the child Margie. And that's why Margie could not perform well in the studies and she became nervous. So Margie's mother was worried and she thought of having the mechanical teacher to be repaired by county inspector. Here county inspector is such a person who repaired the computer. So county inspector was contacted and called and he came to repair the mechanical teacher. So mechanical teacher handled the mechanical teacher was handled by the county inspector. So county inspector interacted with the mother. Then he also talked with the Margie and he tapped the head. He tapped the head of the child. Then he gave an apple to Margie to eat. Margie felt little happy to receive the pat from the county inspector. County inspector repaired the mechanical teacher by adjusting the grades, lowering the grades of the mechanical teacher, and thereafter he departed. Then the Margie started to give her studies, and by forcing and pressing the punch codes, she was to give her homework. But something was blinking on the screen, and her attention was not in the studies. Her attention was towards the Tommy's book, which was found by him in the attic. And the girl thought that what could be the fun of the children enjoying of the ancient times, as they had a special building and there was a human teacher. I hope you have understood the test, and now some assignments also have been provided here for the studies from the test book. First question is, how old are Margie and Tommy? Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is 13 years old. What did Margie write in her diary? Margie wrote in her diary that today Tommy found a real book in 17 May 2157. Had Margie ever seen a book before? No, Margie had never seen a book before. What things about the book did she find strange? Because the words did not move. What do you think a telebook is? A telebook is a e-book displayed on the television screen or the computer screen. What was Margie's school? Where was Margie's school? Margie's school was next to her bedroom in her house itself. Did she have any classmate? No. What subject did Margie and Tommy learn? Margie and Tommy learned the subjects like geography, history, and arithmetics. One more assignment is from grammar section. Make adverbs from these adjectives. Angry, angrily. Second, happy, happily. Merry, merrily. Sleepy, sleepily. Easy, easily. Noisy, noisily. Tidy, tidily. Gloomy, gloomily. This was the grammar exercise. I hope you understand the lesson, the fun they had. Well, thank you.